Langan apa kamu bar? Kalau ini.
At them, hey, sign for peace. Sign for peace. That's why they are told by referee Martin Makur from Eastern Lake. Hey, hey, hey! Whoa! Whoa! Go and then down. No, it's not true. Go! Go and then down. No, it's right. Put your hands together, Jama. Put your hands together. CE038L Rafo, you are hey. Time to hey now. They've got down. Hey. He wants to get down the way. Hey. Now they have locked hands. Hey. They have locked hands now. Hey, when they hold themselves like that is the toughest, the hardest time of this world. Hey! Hey! Hey!